All right, Courtney and Amy, let's see if you are in fact doing this right.
So what recipe are we making?
Oh,
okay. Yes.
Wait, are you sure this is what we're making? Jamaican curry chicken and fried dumplings? Oh God, I'm scared. Hey there, everybody. My name is Amy Stran.
Hi, I'm Courtney Webb.
We're standing next to the lovely Ayesha curry, and this is a segment called, Am I doing this right? All right, wait, we should turn the pan on. Does it say turn the pan on? Ayesha, are we already doing this wrong?
These are pretty too. I like these. Ayesha's set of cookware.
They are pretty. I love them.
Add half of the chicken. Well, first
Wait,
put the
we have to
oil
put
in.
oil in.
3 tablespoons.
There we go, we'll swirl it around.
That's a lot.
Well, you know, the more the merrier.
Add half of the chicken. Okay.
Am I doing this right?
So you gotta let it sit so it browns. If you keep moving it, it's just gonna cook through, but it's not gonna get any color.
Season with 1 teaspoon of the salt. So, oh, have you seen that guy who's always like, ooh, ooh. A little bit more.
Again. There we go.
Oh, salty?
Save us some sauce.
I don't know.
No, don't save the salt. Use the salt.
All right, Ayesha, just call us out. You know, we're doing our best. Black pepper.
You look broken.
Cook, stirring, well done, occasionally until the chicken begins to brown, about 3 minutes. All right, I'm supposed to.
You're not gonna put the raw in there.
I am not. I am not gonna do that. I am gonna wait
Caught that
and
one,
read
folks.
this for the chicken. Okay. Transfer the chicken to a bowl and repeat with the remaining chicken. Ah, wait for that.
Yep.
She got it, folks.
Brilliant.
She got it. All right, guys, we're transferring.
Okay, I'll move this over.
Okay. Salt and pepper, Court.
Oh, I'm here. You tell me when that's ready.
Okay.
I'm gonna pour. Oh wait, I don't go in there.
Oh boy.
Oh, yes, you do. I'm sorry. That's what we're doing. Good thing
Wait.
there's 2 of us.
Stir in the yellow onions.
right.
The onions, you do a little shimmy, shimmy. Green onion.
You do a shimmy.
2 times sprigs. I usually put my hair in a ponytail.
Good job.
All right, then I'm gonna go into the garlic, madame. Go overboard on the curry powder.
Oh, that's what that is.
Jamaican style hot yellow curry powder.
Ooh.
Taking you back to the islands, girls.
Just smell it.
Well, no, walk. What if you inhale it?
There we go.
You want me to
We have
just
done
go?
it. Yeah.
Just go all the way.
Yeah.
Cook for 2 more minutes.
Okay, so what do we do? We're just
Okay,
watching this cook
now
for
after you
2
cook for
minutes?
2 more minutes, you're gonna stir in the potatoes and the brown sugar.
You
I feel like
sprinkle
I'm-
the brown sugar? I think you can dump
What
it.
do you want from me, Amy?
There you go. Yeah.
Oh, it smells so good. Pour in the water and bring to a boil.
Okay, Court, we are boiling. We're gonna lower to a gentle simmer. Very nice.
It's looking good. Not bad.
All right, gang, we're moving on to phase 2.
They put gloves on. I'm done.
Do you wanna make the
here.
dumplings?
I'm ready for you.
We're going to whisk together
Oh,
the
God.
flour, the baking powder, and the salt. And then we're gonna add the butter. Oh, and it is
This is like my
chilled butter.
husband's favorite.
Squared butter. Blend it in, gentle, like, you know, kind
Like
of like
just-
massaging it and rubbing it. Maybe like use your thumbs. Yeah, there you go. Ayesha's recommendation is to add a 1/4 cup of water and keep kneading. Okay, and we don't want it to be sticky. I think we want it to be a little crumbly.
Oh, I'm crumbly. We're looking ballier.
Yeah, we're looking
balling.
good, yet not sticky.
Wouldn't she say?
Okay, so
You're
I'm just
gonna
gonna
make a
flatten,
couple.
but Ayesha, not like totally flat. I think that looks nice.
That's good. You can flatten, you can make spoolies and just like roll them in your
Just
hand.
about done.
Wait, I'm gonna be so impressed if we make dumplings.
We are heating up oil. We did about a 1/2 inch. We think that that's good. You're doing great.
Oh, you made me
I
feel
would
very
just
comfortable.
maybe not put them so close
Oh,
together
sorry,
so that
sorry.
we can get them out. Fry the dumplings, 2 minutes per side. Oh, that is picture.
Oh,
Perfect, we're doing it.
Yay,
did that!
They
Oh my
did
gosh, look
it.
at all of them.
Good job, ladies.
I so love these pans.
These
Can't
pans
wait
are
to get
gorgeous.
them. Yeah, right. All right, so now we just wait 2 minutes.
Okay, we're bubbling.
I'm gonna ruin that.
Right? Should
either.
we take them out now? I mean, it's not gonna hurt
Ready?
us
Watch.
to take
Let's
it
flip
down.
it over. Yes, look, that is perfect on both sides.
Yes. Oh my gosh, can we
I'm gonna
invite
go ahead
people
and put
over
those
so that
in.
they see how impressive? We can't even talk
They
about
are
it.
gorgeous. We just fried dumplings. I've never fried a
This
dumpling
recipe
in my
is
life,
amazing.
and it felt great. All right, we have forks.
We do.
I can't believe we did this. I could eat this every night. Oh my gosh, and
That
the
dumpling
dumplings
is
are
so good.
crispy. Did you feel that? It like kind of had a little crunch on
There's
the
like
outside.
a softness to it. Something
You
pretty.
did it. It looks so good.
All the green that pops out from the thyme that we used.
Oh
the pepper.
It was so easy. It was really just have self-confidence in Ayesha Curry's cookbook.
We can't stop eating. It's absolutely wonderful. Ayesha, thanks for making sure that we did it right.
We did.
This is right.
I feel confident.
Okay. Is it supposed to taste this good?
Gold stars. I'm gonna hope.
All right. Well, we love it, and thanks again for the homemade goodness.
Anytime.
But we have to stop eating.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, my favorite part is that the two of you are absolutely eating.
it's delicious.
Is it really?
It is so good. I mean, yes.
Yes, it's
This
like
is amazing.
perfect.
That was cute.